How to sign in and log in to Yahoo Finance. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Yahoo Finance application on your device. You can easily download the application from your App Store or your Play Store. Once opened, you will be led to the home page of Yahoo Finance. Go ahead and tap on the account option on the bottom right of your screen and you will see the login or sign up option. Tap on that and you will further be led to the login portal of Yahoo. Go ahead and enter your username, email, or mobile number associated with Yahoo and tap on the next button. And if you have forgotten your username, tap on the Forgot Username option and recover your username. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can tap on the Create an Account button and create a new account. You will then be asked to enter your password, so go ahead and enter your password and tap on the Next button. And if you have forgotten your password, then you can tap on the Forgot Password option and log in further once you recover your password. And with this, you will be signed in to Yahoo Finance successfully. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.